Hey everyone, I'm Harper. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Vitamix Ascent X2 blender, a professional-grade powerhouse that's turning heads in kitchens everywhere. If you're on the hunt for a blender that can handle anything from smoothies to hot soups, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about what makes the Vitamix Ascent X2 stand out. This blender comes with a 2.2 horsepower motor, which is like having a mini rocket in your kitchen. It powers through tough ingredients like frozen fruit, kale, or even nuts with ease. The 48-ounce container is perfect for small or medium batches, great for families or meal prep. It has 3 preset programs: smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, so you can just press a button and walk away. Plus, the self-cleaning feature: just add soap and water, hit the button, and it's clean in under a minute. The self-detect technology is another cool touch. It adjusts settings based on the container size, so you're always blending at peak performance. And with a sleek design and a 10-year warranty, this thing is built to last. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, this blender is a beast. It makes silky smooth smoothies, creamy nut butters, and even snow-like crushed ice in seconds. It's versatile enough for everything from soups to dips, and the self-cleaning function saves so much time. The 48-ounce jar is ideal for smaller batches, and it's dishwasher-safe, which is a big win. The build quality feels premium, and that warranty gives you peace of mind. On the con side, it's not cheap. Retailing around $550, it's an investment. The 48-ounce container might feel small if you're blending large batches, and some users have reported issues with the jar detection system, though Vitamix customer service is quick to resolve it. Also, it's not compatible with older Vitamix containers, so you're locked into their self-detect accessories. So, who's this blender for? If you love cooking, experiment with recipes, or want restaurant-quality results at home, the Ascent X2 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for health nuts, home chefs, or anyone who wants a reliable, high-performance blender that can do it all. If you're just making occasional smoothies and don't need all the bells and whistles, you might want something more budget-friendly. But for serious kitchen enthusiasts, the power and versatility here are hard to beat. Ready to level up your blending game? Check out the Vitamix Ascent X2 on Amazon using the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and any special promotions we've tracked down for you at Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews on the latest kitchen gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.